Good morning, students. How are you, children? Have you all finished your work? I think so. You must have done your work. Now, today I'm going to teach you a new lesson in EVS. Lesson number 7 My Health. So, you all have to take it out, page number 35, and I'm going to read the lesson plus I'm going to explain also. Okay. Health. Health is wealth. It means health is the most important thing for us. Because a healthy person is the happiest person in the world. So what did it say? It says that health is wealth. Why? Because healthy person is the most happiest person. Why? If we are falling sick, okay, what does it mean? We are not happy, we are sad. Okay, so we should keep our body healthy. Keeping cleanliness is the key to good health. Keeping clean, what we have to do, we have to keep ourselves clean, then only we will be healthy. We can keep good health by following these steps. Now there are some steps which tells you that how can you keep yourself clean and how can you keep good health. Number 1, brush your teeth regularly and twice a day, in the morning and at night. So you all should remember you have to brush your teeth at least 2 times in a day, in the morning and at night. Then second step is you should take bath every day. Every day without fail you all have to take bath. Do you take bath, children? You must take bath every day to keep your body fit and healthy. Third step, oil massage once in a week is good for our hair. So in our hair, what we have to do, we have to put oil and have to do massage. Fourth step, we should wash our hair with shampoo and comb them daily. So when we wash our hair, what should we apply in our hair? Shampoo. We shampoo our hair and then comb our hair daily. Fifth step, wipe yourself with a clean towel and clean your ears with the moist towel. Okay. Now in this, what you have to do, after taking bath, you have to wipe yourself with what? Not a dirty towel but a clean towel. And then how can you clean your ears? With the moist towel. Come to step 6. You should wear well cleaned and ironed clothes. So what type of cloth you will wear? You should your clothes should be clean first thing, and it should be iron. Okay, iron is not a big problem, but your clothes should be clean. 7, you should trim your nails every week. Every week you have to do, you have to cut your nails. Dirty nails not only look ugly, but they have germs under the skin that make you sick, that make us ill. So the dirty nails, it will have germs in them. So what we have to do, we have to trim our nails every week. Then the last point here says you should always eat fresh and healthy food. Eating habits. Okay, whenever you eat food, your food should be fresh and healthy food. You should not eat any junk food to keep your body fit and healthy. Always eat fresh and healthy food. This is how we can keep good health. We will be having a healthy body if we follow these steps, these 1 to 8 steps. Have you all understood, children? Okay, so I think, children, this much is enough for today. There were 8 points. Again and again at home. For your homework today, I will not give you any written homework, but you have to do the reading, you have to learn the points, and remembers them. Okay then children, this much will be enough for today. Now we will be meeting in our next class. Till then, take care and goodbye.